my lovely people, it is MZG. I'm your favorite digital artist, painter. Yes, your girl is here. Oh, I've missed you guys, even though it's only been like a few days. But yeah, I'm here showcasing my new collection. And before I start, I want you guys to follow me on Instagram, or like subscribe to my Patreon, leave a comment, like, support your girl, because it really does help the algorithm and push my content out there so that I can continue showcasing my work and helping you guys and giving you tips and tricks. So yeah, so this is Procreate on my iPad Pro. I'm using my Apple Pen, and I open up a page and I just go crazy basically. This one was really therapeutic because I kind of had a clear idea of how I wanted it to look like. I used mainly 3 brushes, which is the Willow charcoal, the MaxU Gouache smooth, and a soft airbrush. Those are my ride or dies. And there is also the hairbrush that I love. It saves so much time, because before I used to use just a normal pen, and I used to do each individual strand of hair, which is crazy. But yeah, and even over here, you can see me pulling back on the black. I'm using the smudge tool here, so the airbrush but using the smudge tool, and I'm dragging the hair back to create those strands of hair, which I think was a game changer. It just looks so freaking real. I get too excited sometimes. I feel like the hair is just it's giving life. And it was so fun playing around with the makeup. She was like my little doll, and I'm creating life in this, yeah, so the bold colors was a must. This woman, I wanted her ethnic background to be quite ambiguous. She could have a little bit of Caribbean in her, Indian, Asian, white, you just don't know. The person I envision is this girl boss. She's loud, she's proud, and I just love that kind of rainbow of colors going on here. Even though it's not like a full-on rainbow, but yeah, she's just vibrant. And someone that I would want to be friends with at a party or an event, So over here, once I'm starting to add a few details and working on layers, I'm jumping between painting and smudging. Add a few colors and then smudge it and blend it all together. And my piece de resistance, I don't know if I'm saying that right, but I love to add a few textures, a bit of blemishes, freckles, and I use the flick brush tool. It is a game freaking changer. Girls, guys, it's a changer, okay? And it's okay to make mistakes, because over here I didn't quite like the way it was dripping in my face, so I just erased that, and you just match the colors and just blend it very well. And I also want to tell you that I'm experimenting with different ways for abstractness, because I always do the photorealism, but I wanted to balance it out with abstract art and strokes and be bold here. So thank you. Make sure you support my channel and my platforms. I'll see you soon.